Warren Buffett just bought this stock. Stock News 2020. Are you already excited what it is? You will find it out soon. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. Warren Buffett just bought this stock. Stock News 2020. So a little bit about Warren Buffett himself. He's the fourth richest person in the world as of 16th August 2020. And his net worth is roughly about 80 billion US dollars. He's a star investor because he could outperform the market consistently over a period of time of 50 years. Oh yeah, a little bit more about his net worth. Well, he actually gave to charity about 40 billion US dollars as far as I can imagine, as far as I can remember. So actually, if he doesn't do any charity, he would have way more money, so he would be like the third richest person in the world or so. So yeah, he's really a philanthropist. Alright, and next, he sold Goldman Sachs stocks. So Goldman Sachs is one of the leading global investment firm, and he bought gold instead. Well, gold is actually, in this case, a ticker symbol which stands for Barrick Gold. Alright, so a little bit about this company, Barrick Gold. It was founded in 1983, and the headquarters is in Toronto, Canada. So it's a Canadian company. It has over 10,000 employees, and it is one of the leading gold mining company. So let's have a quick look at the gold stock real quick. Well, actually, let's have a quick look at Goldman Sachs stock. Hold on a sec here. So Goldman Sachs, here it is. Okay. So as I mentioned before, it is one of the leading investment firm, and the market cap. Share this video to your friends, colleagues, and families, or other people that might be interested in this topic. Capitalization of Goldman Sachs is about 70 billion US dollars. The PE ratio is about 15, so it is good. So you can argue that it is fairly valued. It has a dividend yield of 2.4%. Okay, interesting. So let's have a quick look at the Goldman Sachs stock performance real quick. So 1 year ago, the stock price, let's see. 1 year ago, the stock price was at $196. Okay, so let's do the math here real quick. So $208 divided by 196. So the yearly performance is here like 6%. So not that much in my opinion. So let's compare it with Apple, for example. So the company Apple, which produces iPhones, MacBooks, etc. So it is also the most valuable company in the world. That's why the market cap is 1,965 billion US dollars. So 1 year ago, the stock price from Apple was $202. So as you can see here, currently it's traded as $460. So it more than doubles its stock price. So that's a nice performance. So as you can see, me personally, I wouldn't buy any bank stocks because it literally almost no performance. So I wouldn't buy any bank stock in the first place. Any questions so far? Feedbacks or comments are also fine. Just do it in the video description below. But yeah, you can buy it anyway if you want to. That's no problem. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the gold stock performance real quick. The ticker symbol is gold stock, but the company is Barrick Gold Corporation stock. So let's have a quick look here. The market capitalization is 48 billion US dollars. Okay, so it is considered a large cap, and the PE ratio is roughly around 11, which is also fairly valued. So, and the next thing is the dividend. It pays about 1.2%, so it's all right. Okay. Oh yeah, the gold stock performance. So 1 year ago, the stock price was roughly $18. Right now, let's say 27. So let's do the math here real quick. 27. So 50%. So it's fairly good. All right. So let's have a quick look at the annual report from this company, Barrick Gold or Gold Stock. And yeah, it has like how many pages? It has like 224 pages. So yeah, it took me a while to find this page. So just smash the like button for me. All right. So last year, 2019, they made. Let's see, where is it? Oh yeah. Here it is. Oh yeah, there it is. They made a profit of roughly 4.6 billion US dollars. All right, but in 2018 they made a loss of 1.4 billion US dollars. Okay, that's interesting. All right, next, so let's have a quick look at the earnings report real quick. Okay. Oh yeah, here it is. Production summary and notes. All right, here's also 130 pages, so let's have a quick look here. Let's try this one out. Hopefully we can find it this way. Oh yeah, here it is. So in the second quarter 2020, which means April, May and June, they made, let's see, a profit of 622 million US dollars. That's a sharp increase compared to the previous year. Because in the previous year, in that quarter, they made a profit of 223 million US dollars. So yeah, even during this time, they could increase the profit, which is fairly good. All right. Oh yeah, a little bit more about the bank stocks that Warren Buffett holds or held. So he sold Goldman Sachs, which we had a look at it. He also sold Wells Fargo, so he has many bank stocks, not only Goldman Sachs. All right, what does it say? Let's try it this way. Wells Fargo. Here it is. Okay, somehow it doesn't work here, so let's have a quick look at this page, Seeking Alpha. It's also a nice website to do some, to have a research on the stock. So let's have a quick look here, Wells Fargo. All right. It's also a bank. So he had many different banks. Wells Fargo. As far as I can remember, it was also JP Morgan Chase that he held. So a lot of banks. So analysis. No, let's have a quick look. Yahoo Finance. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at JP Morgan Chase. Hopefully it will work. JP Morgan. Here it is. Oh yeah, here it is. So the price as of 14th August 2020 is $102, and the market cap is 312 billion US dollars, so it is considered a mega cap. The dividend yield is also quite generous with 3.5%. Okay, interesting. So let's have a quick look at the stock performance real quick. it is loading. Oh yeah, so let's have a quick look at the PE ratio real quick. The PE ratio is roughly 14, so it is also fair valued, as you can argue. So 1 year ago, the stock price was $105. So it's in negative performance. So you would even lose money if you invested in like 1 year ago. So yeah, as you can see, if you compared it with Apple, which we did before, Apple did way better than that.